What is up, YouTube? I'm Sky Knight. Welcome back to Bare Bones to Beautiful. Tonight, let's swap out Dmenu for Rofi. Alright, and for the drink of the night, we're doing some Four Roses Single Barrel. Great bourbon. Love this stuff. Alright. Get the Yeah. Alright, thank you for joining me. So I don't really have an issue with Dmenu itself, other than I don't like the way that it looks. It's up at the top of the screen now. It works just fine. You can find whatever it is you need to do with it. I just don't like the way it looks. I use Rofi as an alternative, so let's install that. First things first, sudo apt install Rofi. And there's really not a lot to this. And there we go, we have Rofi. And if we do Rofi help, we'll see some options here. I know it needs to be called with a couple different options. Alright, I believe what I do on my home rig is Rofi-show combi. So let's try that out. Rofi-show combi. There it is. Firefox. There you go. Works basically the same thing. So we have Rofi installed. Let's swap out the keybind for Dmenu to activate Rofi instead. So vim.config sxhkd, and instead of Dmenu run, we're going to change this to Rofi show combi. Super escape to reload, and let's try that out. There it pops up automatically. Right, one of the nice things about Rofi is that you can customize the heck out of it. I won't necessarily be customizing the heck out of it, but we will be applying a Dracula theme. You can basically go in and apply a completely custom theme. It is a lot of configuration, a lot of colors, kind of similar to CSS work, but not quite. But let's just go on to find the Dracula theme. I'm pretty sure there's a Dracula theme. Open up Firefox, and Dracula. Okay, Rofi. There it is. Oh, and this actually makes it even easier. Alright, let's go into our downloads folder. And clone the Rofi repository. Go in here. And I'm not sure if there is a Rofi directory. If there's not, it'll error out, but we can just create one. Yep. Okay. So make a directory .config. Make a directory .config Rofi. Let's try that again. There we go. And if we go into that config folder, we see the config.rousey. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Alright, looks like we're setting a font, setting colors, background. Okay. Well, we don't have the JetBrains model font, so we're going to be changing that to Fear Code. Fear Code 12, sure, why not? Okay, let's see if that works. There we go. Okay, now what options do we have with the combi? Maybe SSH. Okay, we can run an SSH. We can do a run. There's window changing. Is drun on here? Drun is not on here. So let's just add that to the combi section. Ooh. Okay, maybe let's go on to the Rofi documentation and check that out quick. Alright, so I believe this is all just styling. So if we were to put out of that, clear off that, go to Rofi-dump big and have it append to the existing config.rofi.rosi. Reload it, so that should be at the bottom then. Okay, let's see if that still works. Oh, it does not work. Unexpected end of file. Unexpected configuration block. Interesting. Do you want the configuration block to be at the top? Does that matter? Maybe. Let's try that. Rofi, dump, config, and let's just create a new file. Config. Okay, so we dumped that to config.rosi2. Let's jump into that folder. Config, Rofi, ls. Okay. Cat the... Oh. Let's undo that quick. Write that out. Okay, now let's cat the config.rosi and append it to config.rosi2. Okay, and then move config.rosi to config.rosi.back. And then move config.rosi2 to config.rosi. Okay, let's see if that works. That does work. Okay, Firefox. Okay, so vim. Where were we at? Vim config.rosi. That's, oh, I already have it open right here. Yeah, let's quit out of here. So we already have it at the bottom. Okay, configuration. And Modi is actually what we are doing. So, we want SSH. Let's also do drun. And I believe... Oh, we did not delete the ending. There we go. I'm still not doing the drun. What is... Does it have to be drun instead of run? Oh, no, it's not Modi, it's combi. There it is. Okay. So let's delete that. So window, run, SSH, and drun. Actually, I don't think we want run at all on here, do we? Let's try that again. There's a drun. So drun has a little more context to it. Like you can see here, drun, Firefox, ESR, it's a web browser. I think it might be the order that you put things in. So let's put drun instead of, or in front of run and see what difference that makes. Firefox. Okay, there it is. Well, I know there's an option to add icons, so show icons. Change that to true. Try that out. There's the icons. Cool beans. And it actually looks a little small. I guess to me it's fine, but you know, the nice people on YouTube, it's probably a little small, right? Let's find out a way to make that bigger. So font is being set up top. What does fixed line numbers mean? Will that show line numbers? And not that I'm like, I don't know what that does. Let's undo that. Okay, so icons, Rofi sensible terminal. I'm actually not sure what that does either. Icon theme. It looks like it's using the PC Man FM theme, actually. I guess that's fine. I don't really care. Okay, so display format, size, name. Okay, this might actually be up. Might actually be up top, or actually down below. Font. Code Pro. Oh, maybe if I jump it up from 12, maybe to 18. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, cool beans. So there is a different way to actually do the themes in Rofi if you don't want to do the Dracula theme. I like the Dracula theme, I think it looks nice, but there is a Rofi theme selector, and you can essentially try out all these themes in real time. Ooh, no thank you. Whoa! I don't know how I feel about this one. Like, I wonder what the boxes will look like. Like, is it going... Okay, we're gonna accept that one quick, and then that's kind of neat. So it has like large icons. I mean, if there were more applications on your PC, that would probably make a difference. Looks like we can actually... Can we tab change between? No, how do we change these? We can jump right into SSH. Only drun, only open windows. That's pretty cool. I don't mind this one. I could probably style this one up, but... Oh no. I have a feeling that overwritten... That override the, Oh, there's a Dracula theme. Okay, so yeah, it actually just... Oh, interesting. I bet I could reference the, Dracula theme just like that as well. Let's see if that works. So instead of @theme, this one... Sky Knight, Big, Rophi, oh god, I called something stupid, didn't I? Okay, let's just dot back to Dracula. Razi. Cool. Let's paste that in and then delete to the end of the file. And do you still work? No, not really. Why not? Why not? Why don't you work? I don't know. I don't know why that didn't work. Apparently if you just append the theme to the end of the general config.rossi, it worked just fine. I don't know why. Let's see what other ones they have quick before we quit out of here. Where was I at? Docu. I do kind of like this one, though. It's kind of neat. It's kind of neat, isn't it? I think it's kind of neat. Man. If everything that I had like a icon big enough that would actually go in there, that'd be pretty cool. Fancy. Oh, that's Yeah. Whoa. Can't even see what you're selecting there. I don't know, Grow Box is alright. Big. I always liked Monokai. That used to be my theme of choice, but it's not on a lot of things. Purple's pretty nice. Oh, that sidebar is pretty nice too. I could style the hell out of that. That's not bad. Okay, well, cool. Well, that's Rophi. That is the Dmenu replacement. I like the way it looks, much better than Dmenu. I'm sure you can style Dmenu all you want. It's just easier to style Rofi. Exhibit A. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. See ya.